Okay, we got a 08 5.3 liter SAAB. Got a rear main seal leaking, so we got to pull the tranny out. Okay, 5.3 7X. But yeah, we got to pull the tranny out to get to the rear seal. And this is an all-wheel drive. Let me see. Show you the leaks. Here we go. See the oil on the paint. You see that? You see up there. Hopefully the light in the background ain't bothering it. So I guess let me get set up here where we can start dropping it and go from there. First time with GoPro, first time video, so let's see how it goes. Okay, what I gotta do is disconnect the linkage to the shifter. Then I'm gonna disconnect the front drive axle from the trans here. Then I gotta disconnect the wires, harness stuff that's behind all this. Once done, I'm gonna disconnect the drive shaft down at the bottom. I gotta take all these screws off here for the cross member. There's two more back here I gotta take off on each side to drop the cross member down. Hopefully we can get the transmission backed off the motor far enough to do the seal without having to pull the transmission all the way down. I got room between the gas tank and the case here, which I'm hoping will allow enough room just to drop it down a little and pull it back to get to the rear seal, and we'll see what happens with that. But I can't really see if it's showing much on the screen here, but let me get at taking this apart. If I fall into any issues, I'll get back to recording. Here's the flywheel. So I'm gonna have to get that off. I'll scoot this tranny back a little bit more. Get the flywheel off, get the cover off, put new seals on it, and we'll get it all put back together. But I had to take the axle out that went to the front. Up there, I don't know if I can see from over here. I'm on the other side of the track. Took the drive shaft off, took all the cross member stuff off. Loosen up the exhaust pipe. I don't know if you can see it here. And then and go from there. Alright, let's take this off. We'll get back and see what goes on. Okay, I got the cover off, and after looking at it, the gasket kit that I got will be the Fel-Pro. I guess this would be the number for it. And what I come to find out is the seal was good, but when they put a new seal on, they didn't put a new gasket on. This thing here, see if I can get back here so you can see it better, was flat, smushed, reused, and they should put a new one on. So I think it was leaking around these edges. So I'm gonna change it out. We'll put that one, put this one on, and hopefully that would be it. Because this one here should be good from what I'm seeing, because like I said, on this one here, it's smashed right here. I mean, you don't feel no ridges. It was just completely flat. But this seal looked good. It didn't look like it's leaking around this new seal. It was just around this old one that they left this old one on there. And that's what it was. I'm gonna go put some sealant on the bottom edge of this and go get this put in the truck now, and we'll go from there. All right, we're back at it. I got it all put back in. I wish I would have recorded some of it, but man, I have no light. I'm charging my light that I have for now, but we got the plate back on, the cover and the seals in, and we got the flywheel on. I don't know if you can't even see that. Oh, sorry about that. We're gonna have to probably, I'm gonna go ahead and try and put the transmission up to the motor right now, and then probably call it a day, because I can't really see much, and go from there. Okay guys, back underneath, got the transmission put back in. I gotta put that cover back on. This was just something new for me with the GoPro. First video for the YouTube, to see how it goes. Next time I'll go more in depth. This is not a how-to. I don't need anybody trying this and breaking their transmission and accusing us for their negligence. But this will be in the record book for the first video. Trial and error practice with the GoPro and stuff. So hope you enjoy. I'm gonna try to make some more videos and get better at this and see what happens.